As you're funding your IRA, you will need to invest the money you put into it. A lot of people believe that an IRA is an investment itself. An IRA is just the account, not an investment. When you fund your IRA, the money you put into it will initially be cash. If you don't do anything, your cash will just sit there and do nothing, since an IRA is an investment account and not an investment itself. In this video, we won't recommend a specific investment, but we will show you how to purchase one inside your IRA so your money can start to grow. We're going to walk you through the Vanguard platform. First, look at the list of ETFs, or exchange traded funds. We love ETFs since they are balanced and diversified funds, which is an important way to spread your money out and not put all of your eggs in one basket. Additionally, ETFs are low cost compared to mutual funds, making them even more attractive. This example selects the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, which goes by its three-letter acronym, VTI. This ETF is designed to mirror the performance of the entire US stock market. It is designed to go up when the stock market goes up and down when the stock market goes down. One thing to note, shares will cost a certain amount of money, which will change over time. For example, if you have $1,500 and the share costs $150, you can buy 10 shares. This process can be challenging and intimidating the first couple of times, but it will get easier. Remember, your account's value will go up and down over time. The goal is to grow your money overall, and while it's not guaranteed and you can lose money, the approximate average growth of the US stock market over the last 90 years since the 1930s has been roughly 8%, which is pretty solid. Investing has a long time horizon, and you can build your investment account up significantly to make it much easier to retire.